Hello and welcome to a very relaxed virtual open house today here presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. I'm actually sitting here on the sofa on a terrace on La Isla development at Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We have 37.4 degrees outside. I'm actually sitting in the shade, and soon I will start to show you this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom ground floor apartment here on La Isla at Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. As you can see today, it's a brilliant summer day. We are in August in the southeast of Spain, and as I just said, it's over 37 degrees outside today, and we're taking it easy. And I'm showing you today, I think, a very nice 2-bed, 1-bathroom ground floor apartment here on La Isla, with first line to the lake, as you can see. It's quite pleasant today, apart from the fact that it's pretty warm. Humidity is around 45%, so it's not that bad. I'm just showing you here the view from the garden of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on La Isla here at Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are today on another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. My name is Rupert, I'm the broker here of the company, and I'm very happy to present you today another listing from our company. So, enough said. As you can imagine, it's pretty hot here, so we try to take it easy today, and I'm showing you this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, which is reference 3571 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. It's a beautiful day. We have sunshine, as I said, about 37 degrees today. It's only 40% humidity, so it's really quite acceptable. And just let me walk into this apartment. As you can see already, there is mosquito netting all around the property. And I'm just entering this place, and oof, what a relief. Inside, I think it's not 37. I reckon it's about 28, 27. So it's significantly less hot inside than outside. This has to do with the fact that these apartments here are perfect to ventilate. So with the front here, the sliding door open, and on the other side in the kitchen as well, a window open, there's always an airflow going through. So what I'm showing you at the moment is the living room of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, reference 3571 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. It's a beautiful, well set up apartment, air conditioning in the living room and in the master bedroom. And as you can see, it's very nicely furnished. And here, most prominent, we have William of Orange. Well, for those ones who are a little bit into history, we're talking about the Dutch history here. So one of the most important persons in Dutch history. So here we go. And by the way, this is the only item which is to be negotiated. Otherwise, all what we see today is what we get for the asking price of only 85,000 euros, except William needs to be negotiated. So it depends. In case you are from Holland, it might be easier for you to convince them to leave it in the property. So let's see what happens. But that's the only thing the owners have pointed out, that William needs to be negotiated. It's initially not included. Otherwise, all what we see today on our virtual open house comes included in the asking price of 85,000 euros. You do find this apartment on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, under the reference 3571, where you also find lots of pictures, another virtual tour with 360-degree imagery. So I hope this will give you a better view even on this property and on the details. I'm just here in the kitchen showing you the appliances, which means there is a microwave here installed. We have a big fridge freezer. We have oven cooker extractor fan. We do have a dishwasher here, and well, the sink is normal, but there is no water filter. So as you know, each property purchased through Quality Homes Costa Calida will receive a free drinking water filter. What is it for? Well, very simple. As you know, our drinking water here is perfectly drinkable. The only thing is that it has sometimes quite a chlorine taste. So to take the taste away, we are installing a drinking water filter system, which allows you to get the drinking water out of the tap instead of from the supermarket. So no plastic bottles to carry, no plastic bottles to buy, and most important also, no plastic bottles to get rid of, means to recycle them or whatever. So I think that's a very important thing, and every property on Condado should have a drinking water filter. So as I just said before, since 3 weeks now, every new property purchased through Quality Homes Costa Calida gets a free drinking water filter installed. Okay, having said that, another freebie from Quality Homes, I will show you now the master bedroom of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com, and that's what I'm just showing you here now. This is now the master bedroom, perfectly fitted as well with air conditioning and also a TV installed here. So that's quite comfortable. I will show you as well. Well, sorry to say, sorry I haven't told yet that here, obviously the master bedroom is connected directly as well to the main terrace of the property. And you also have fantastic views from your bedroom out on the lake. So this would be the view then on the lake, on the water feature, which is actually the holding deposit for the irrigation system for the resort, mainly for the golf course, which means that the water is always filled up depending on season. Obviously, sometimes a little bit less, sometimes a little bit more. Here we go, another air conditioning. As I just said, we have air conditioning in the living room and in the master bedroom. Here we go, directly to the second bedroom, as well fitted with a TV. We have 2 single beds in here, and as well here there's one window totally open, which allows the air to flow through. So in here we are far away from the 37 degrees outside. As I said, I reckon it's about 27 degrees inside here, so that's quite comfortable. So actually there is no need for air conditioning at the very moment. Hola Agatha, ¿qué tal? How are you, Agatha? Finally, when will you come to Spain? From Slovakia, nice one. How is the summer in Slovakia? Okay, sorry, we are coming back. This is now the bathroom I'm showing you with all the normally installed services. We have a bathtub here with a glass shower screen, kind of a rainforest shower solution here, hand wash basin. You see again Rupert in the mirror, and yes, as I said, all necessary installations for a bathroom. So this was now the bathroom of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, which is sold fully furnished, as we see, except William. William, as you know, needs to be negotiated. And it's a very funny picture because wherever I'm going, William is following me. So I think he's really taking care of this apartment. Okay, let's see. On our dedicated webpage, Quality Homes Costa Calida, you do find this apartment under reference 3571 at the asking price of 85,000 euros. And just let me go back into the heat again. What a difference. So as soon as I'm walking out here, I start to sweat, I have to say, and now in the sun it's even better. About fees and costs of this apartment, well, it's 138 euros per month on community fees. The council tax is around 320 euros per year. The community fee includes all services provided by the community, which means security, pool attention, gardening, and all other services, street lighting, street cleaning, but as well includes the use of an individual 100 megabit up and download internet connection, as well as more than 250 international TV channels as well in the system. As always, as we say always, yes, the channels are included, but not the television. So you will need to get your television by yourself, but otherwise the channels are already in the system. As you can see here, in the background is the commercial center Alcazar. You see the crane maybe over there, and below the crane, this is the Alcazar Commercial Center. There you find a Spar supermarket. You find several restaurants like the Copa de la Cata, the Big Cheese American restaurant. You do find several bars like the Clover Bar, who is also doing food now. There is the Aqua Bar, there is Sky Bar, and, excuse me, as well El Rincon, which is the bakery. They're open pretty early in the morning and are providing us with morning coffee, fresh bread, croissants, you name it, we have it. On the Alcazar as well, you do find a furniture shop, Paco Molina, also providing all kind of property services, privacy screens, awnings, white goods, outside furnishing, as well as a hairdresser, that's Eden Hair and Beauty, as well as an estate agency, which is Quality Homes Costa Calida. We are registered with the Regional Board of Estate Agents, called COAPI, under the number 8135. Okay. Having said that, coming back to this property, it's reference 3571. And you will understand that I will try to go back into the shade again, because slowly I'm melting here. So just let me go here. There's a great breakfast bar here. That's quite a nice thing, because sitting here you have a beautiful view on the lake. And I think this is a beautiful breakfast place here in general, so nice one. As well as you can see, there's a lounge unit here, as well as we have some sun lounges with a beautiful umbrella on top, providing some shade. So it's more or less fully equipped and ready to move into, say, mosquito netting, as we said, in all doors and windows. Also the barbecue comes included, so it's quite a complete offer, to say. Reference 3571 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And I'm just going back into the living room as well, maybe to stay a little bit out of the heat. As I said, it's pretty warm outside, 37, and inside it's about 27. In case you have any question or doubt, just drop us a line at the bottom of the screen, and me and my team will be happy to answer your question, or maybe just show you the item you want to see in specific. Going into the master bedroom again. As we said, it's sold as seen. Both bedrooms have fitted wardrobes. The owners are in residence at the moment, so you will understand that I'm not really allowed to open the cupboards. But we see the equipment of the apartment with air conditioning, with television in each room, with fitted wardrobes in both bedrooms. We have a double bed. Is it pet friendly? Well, I would say so, yes. The only thing you might think of is in the garden, you might think of putting a fence up. That's the only thing. Otherwise, this apartment, I would say, is pretty pet friendly. Depends on the pet, no? I mean, unicorns have no issue at all here on site. They're really welcome. Might be elephants, I don't know. So it really depends a little bit on the kind of pet you have. For cats, dogs and birds, I don't see any issue at all. There are many dogs around here. There are loads of cats around here, so I wouldn't see any issue. And here we see Willem again, but Willem, as we said, is always following us. Okay, just let me show you the kitchen again. Julie, I hope I've been able to answer your question. Maybe if you want to be more specific, I can tell you a little bit more about it. No problem at all. The kitchen, as we said, fully fitted with a big fridge freezer, microwave, cooker, oven, extractor fan, dishwasher, and in the future as well a water filter, which is not yet here, but as you know, and I've just said before, Quality Homes Costa Calida puts in all new properties purchased through us a drinking water filter. Provided by Derek Miles, who is the provider for this type of filter systems in the area, and I'm sure he will then be also able to provide you with the substitution filters. Well, have we seen the second bedroom again? No, we didn't, so just let me show you the second bedroom again, where by coincidence, here in the corner, always tucked away, we have Anna, our listing agent.
Always in the corner, yeah, but always with a little bit of a draft.
Yes, you're always getting the nice side of it, no? Because whilst I'm going out to the sun, you're still always, I shouldn't say hiding here, but always better off in the shade. Yeah, no doubt about it. Okay, so this was the second bedroom, as well fitted with TV, with a fitted wardrobe, with a double bed, with two single beds. And last but not least, again, the bathroom. Here we go. We have a bathtub with glass shower screen, as you can see here. Oops, that's a big one. We have a rain shower, rainforest shower here. We have a nice mirror where you can see Rupert again, hand wash basin and loo and all that. Okay. Well, I think this was more or less the viewing today. You might understand that we keep it a little bit shorter at the moment. So I hope you enjoy this show, this virtual open house, provided to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. And I'm looking forward to see you again next week at 5 o'clock, same time, same station, here on Facebook with another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. In the meantime, stay safe. In case you're in Spain, stay in the shade. Don't do too much during the day. Keep your activities for early morning or late evening, and otherwise just enjoy life. You can't do anything else at the moment. So take care, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye. Cheers.